Have you ever been on a vacation where you woke up at 5:30 a.m., washed your own dishes, mopped the floor, and did physical training for 4 hours every day? I did. This summer vacation, my parents took me to Thiruvananthapuram in Kerala to live in an ashram to learn Kalaripayattu. Hi guys, I'm Zindagi, the kid. I travel the world with my mom and dad. Welcome to my channel, The Kid Who Traveled. I love vacations. I usually select a destination and my dad plans unique and thrilling experiences for me. But this summer, he gave my job and his job to my mom. And lo and behold, we landed in an ashram in Kerala. I was very apprehensive. I wanted a fun vacation. I begged them to change their mind and destination, but they kept telling me I would enjoy it. Having left with no choice, I decided to give it a chance. What is Kalaripayattu? Frankly, I had no clue until I went there. Mom had done some research and booked this 15-day residential course for us. But what I discovered there, what I learned there, was quite fascinating. Kalari means space and Payattu means fight. Kalaripayattu means a space for fighting.
Kalari means a space. Fighting is a fight.
It's the world's oldest martial art, presumed to be about 3,000 years old. This ancient art is called the mother of all martial arts. But it's more than attack and defense. It's more than a martial art. It's a way of life. My typical day at Agasthyam Kalaripayattu. My day started at 5:30 a.m., ready to train at the Kalari by 6:30. First, we would offer prayer to the sun god in a sequence of movements called Sauranga, followed by 15 minutes of meditation. Next comes the actual Kalaripayattu training sessions, 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the evening. Each session starts with 45 minutes of warm-ups, followed by learning Kalaripayattu attack and defense techniques. The warm-ups are so rigorous, it took us 3 days just to learn them. Fun fact, to wrap up the warm-ups comes 30 seconds only of squat hold or siddha. But each count would last for about 3 seconds on its own. 1, 2. Haha, but I didn't mind. It was fun. The best part of the training for me was when the teachers, we call them Ashans, and Gurukul himself would teach us practical applications of Kalaripayattu techniques. The application which could help one survive in a real-life fight situation. Ashram life when not training. Every alternate day, we needed to do seva. This meant chores like gardening, sweeping, mopping, etc. I quite dreaded this. But when I began, found that it was quite fulfilling to see clean floors and fresh plants, knowing that it was the result of my own handiwork. Another wonderful part of life in the ashram was that I lived alongside dorm mates from all over the world. Germany, France, USA and various parts of India. We enjoyed playing carom, celebrating birthdays and chatting about everything and anything under the sun. I made friends with so many people and we bonded over Kalaripayattu. Sundays were break days when we went around. Malls, beaches, lighthouses, restaurants and whatnot. What am I taking back with me? Resilience, balance and flexibility of the mind. Kalari taught me to be resilient and to find the warrior within. As Gurukul said, you are limitless. This unique vacation taught me that I was stronger than I thought I was. Who knew Kalaripayattu could be so much fun?